Hello guys, it's Tristan Collection here, back with another video. So I made these mystery packs about a couple of months ago for the yard sale. I sold like 2. So we're gonna open a few up. I forget what I put in these. I know I put a Dan Marino. That's like the only card I know, but it's gonna be kind of awkward because this is in the car. So. Hold up. Okay, here we go back. KJ Wallace, second. Johnny Wilson. Leonard Williams. And here's our mystery sport. We got a A's card. Then there's this is our insert. It's a red Jacoby Brissett out of Contenders, and then we got a Chad Ochocinco. So not bad for first pack. But here we go with the second pack. So we got a Hayden Hurst, a Damian Martinez, a Mark Andrews, and here's a mystery sport. It's a gymnastics one. Then we got a Hearth Sherman. Okay, our insert's next, so we're gonna try and get it from the back here. Actually, I can't, but it's fine. We got our rookie right here. Our rookie's right there. We got our insert right there, and then just an extra pack. So not bad second pack. Okay, our third pack. This one, if I'm not mistaken, should have the Dan Marino. Unless somebody pulled. I sold like 2 of them, so I don't know. Okay, this one has number. Okay, mystery sport. It will be a Ben Williamson, a Zachariah Branch. I thought that was a Gibbs. Baker Mayfield, Chris Spielman, a Benjamin Morrison, that's our rookie, and then here's our insert. It will be a Sam Howell, and then we got a Xavier Restrepo college card. So not bad. Of course, I made these, so you can't let me know what I got or like what you think of the product. But other than that, it's been Tristan Collection.